Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn. Welcome to A Simple Tweak. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite dishes, Carne Guisada, which is a beef stew Caribbean style. Let me share with you the ingredients. To make this recipe, you'll need sirloin steak cut into cubes, tomato sauce, red and green bell peppers, and 1 jalapeno pepper for some spicy kick, 1 plum tomato, red onion, alcaparados, which is a combination of olives, pimientos, and capers, oil, black pepper, garlic powder, oregano, onion powder, salt, and 1 bay leaf. The first step is to season the meat. Add the combination of spices, salt, and stir until all the beef cubes are coated with the seasoning. Now let's cook. In a pot, add the oil at medium-high heat. Place the beef cubes in the pan and brown the meat for about 3 minutes each side. The meat will release water on its own. Add the tomato sauce, olives, the tomato, onion, and lastly the peppers and bay leaf. Stir to combine. And add 2 cups of water. Reduce the heat to the lowest temperature and cover the pot. Then cook the meat for 40 minutes or until the meat is tender. After 40 minutes, the Carne Guisada beef stew is ready to be served. The sauce came out thick and delicious. There was no need to add flour. You can pair this Caribbean style beef stew with my rice and beans recipe from my last video, or a simple side of white rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my website, asimpletweak.com, for more recipes like this one.